Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozark. I'm standing in front of this 2024 Harris 250 Sunliner. This boat is equipped with the sterling gray with the black accent and the black powder coated railings. The interior color is the pillow top moonlight gray. I apologize about the wind noise. It is a little breezy here today. You can see it's a single lounger dual home configuration. Lots of great seating up front here. It is have the in-floor storage, and then the nice footrest. It is movable, so you can put it anywhere throughout the boat. And as you can see, cooler storage inside with 4 additional cup holders. Nice upgraded captain and co-captain seat with the flip-up bolster and the high back. Has the upgraded JL audio system with the Simrad digital dash. Like I said earlier, this is equipped with the Mercury 300 horsepower and has a nice single lounger configuration with the dual helm seats. Again, this is a 2024 Harris 250 Sunliner. For more information, you can call us at 573